Creating a Heroku account is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Visit Heroku. Open your web browser and go to Heroku. Sign up. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your details. Provide your email address. Choose a strong password for your account. Verify your email. After submitting your details, you will receive a verification email. Open your inbox and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Add personal information. Fill in additional details such as your first name, last name, and phone number. Create your account. Click Create Account to complete the process. Set up a team. If you wish to work on projects with others, you can invite them to collaborate through Teams. Explore the dashboard. Once your account is created, you'll be redirected to the Heroku dashboard where you can manage your applications, deploy projects, and explore other features. Start using Heroku. You can now deploy applications, manage resources, and leverage Heroku's platform for application development, scaling, and deployment.